Hello students, this is my first video on Song of the Open Road written by Walt Whitman. In this poem, I will tell you all the line meaning of each and every line. The poem has 4 stanzas. I will start with the first stanza. The words which are underlined, I will tell you all the meaning of those words, and then I will explain the line meaning. The first line of the first stanza, afoot. Afoot means on foot, and light-hearted. Light-hearted means relaxed. So the poet is saying, I am going to start a journey. I am very relaxed when I embark on a new journey. The second line is, healthy, free, the world before me. The poet is saying he is free and healthy to take this road. The long brown path before me leading wherever I choose. The path, journey which he will take him wherever he wants to go. So that was the explanation of the first stanza. Now we are going to start with the second stanza. Henceforth, it means from now. He is saying, henceforth I ask not good fortune. I myself am good fortune. He is saying, I don't ask for good luck or good fortune. I am the maker of my destiny, my fortune. I am myself self-sufficient. Second line. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. The meaning of the word whimper is complain. He's saying, I do not complain about anything. I do not want to stop myself. I don't want to hesitate before doing anything. I don't want anything from anyone. I have no expectations. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms. The meaning of the word querulous criticisms is complaints. The poet is saying all his complaints of life which he had while living within the 4 walls are now over. Strong and content, I travel the open road. The meaning is he is strong and content to travel this open road. Over to the third stanza, first line. The earth that is sufficient. He is saying the earth is sufficient. He is living happily there. I do not want the constellations any nearer. The meaning of the word constellations is influential people. The poet is saying he does not want to be close to influential people or people those who are in power. I know they are very well where they are. It means these influential people, wherever they are happy. They are quite good. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. The meaning of the word suffices enough. So it means they are enough for those who want them. The poet does not want them. Now over to the fourth stanza. The fourth stanza is written in bracket. Now the question comes, why it is written in bracket? Now if something is written in bracket in a poem, it is known as parenthesis. It means extra information. In the first three stanzas, the poet tells about the experience, but in the fourth, he just speaks about himself. He thinks he is different from others. That is why he has used parenthesis here. Now over to the first line of the fourth stanza. Still here I carry my old delicious burden. He still has his own delicious burden. Delicious burden means his memories, his past memories of people and things. I carry them, men and women, I carry them with me wherever I go. He takes them, carries them wherever he goes. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. He's saying, he swears, he promises, he cannot leave them, he cannot throw them, he cannot get away with his memories. I am filled with them and I will fill them in return. He is full of those memories and even he will fill others' life with these fond memories. Thank you, students.